Hi, my name is Anna Brook, and I'm the manager of Unity Studio in Brighton, and I've worked with the Unity team for around 5 years. So I'm really excited about being part of the Unity Centre project in Lewes, and I'll be coming across to work on that when we open in 2019. And I think the thing that's really exciting me is hearing from all the people who are getting in touch. So people who run all sorts of groups, from people who work with survivors of strokes, people who offer classes for children, workshops, trainings, lots of yoga and meditation classes, holistic practitioners, arts practitioners, all sorts, chess groups. We have had people really getting in touch because they have an area of a specialism, of passion about what they do. And I think as a studio and a community centre, that's the most exciting thing, really, is providing a platform for people who deeply care about what they do and have spent years and years perfecting their teaching skills or their what they offer, so that they can improve the lives of others in some way. And that's where we're coming from, and it's a privilege to be part of it. So if you have a skill, if you're a teacher, then please do get in touch with what you'd like to offer as part of the centre. Or if you know someone who is fantastic and you think, oh, it'd be great if that person had an extra class or training or something, again, please get in touch. And there are other ways to get involved as well. From some people are kindly helping us put out flyers. Some people are coming to open mornings. Some people are investing, or simply getting in touch to show your support. So thanks very much, and hopefully we will meet in future if you'd like to.